Oh look, there it is. Right there, straight ahead of us. You don't see it up there on the hill?
Yeah, I see it. That's awesome.
So, we're here in a parking lot, heading to the Ark Encounter. Somebody built a life-size Ark to biblical dimensions. And it's a Sunday, and there are a lot of people here. Look at this crowded parking lot behind me. We're gonna take a 1-mile scenic bus ride on the Ark bus. Shouldn't it be like a 1-mile scenic boat ride? There it is. At the Ark Encounter. Look at the size of that thing. That's what I said.
It's like the go-to phrase. Look at the size of that.
This is pretty ridiculous. Like, you can see all the different little chunks of wood and everything. So here's my real question. This thing's giant, built to biblical proportions, but did the original Noah's Ark have a security camera mounted to the side of it? And as always, we couldn't go to an attraction of such biblical proportion without a proportionate group of people. We're here. Adam the Woo, carpetbagger, doing it. Jacob the carpetbagger. We'll put links down to their videos in the description down below. Let's go check it out. Still, I do want to know about the security camera on the side of the boat. Is this a boat or a ship? So everybody was asking what makes an Ark an Ark. Like, what is the definition of an Ark? So I looked it up, and Google auto-filled. I said, what is an ARK? And it filled in the rest. What is an Arkansas toothpick? Listen to this epic music that's happening right now.
I wonder if they do service here.
Well, I don't know. Look at how darn big this thing is. It's hard to even get it all the way in the frame. Yeah, these clouds are amazing up above it. Just standing underneath it.
I think it might really rain.
This is so ridiculous. Definitely noticed that they are planning for a lot of people to come here with all of these queue lines, and the parking lot is gigantic. Time lapse of them building the Ark. Plans for the Ark. I don't know. Look at this, we're heading in. Up this ramp. It looks like the underside of the Ark right here. We get a souvenir photo maybe. Here we go, we're gonna enter Noah's Ark. They have camera battery chargers plugged into the Ark to make sure that they don't run out of camera battery. We're heading in. Oh, so much wind. What is this thing? Is this like a cutaway of what the outside of the Ark looks like? That's pretty impressive. This is very sturdy. Wow. Are these the cages for the animals? Is that what this is? What lives in here?
Drop the pellets in here.
Oh, and then they're fed?
Here's a little hamster bottle.
Oh, yeah. This is impressive. Oh, here is the biblical air conditioning. Very nice. Very nice. This carving is real impressive. Do you think that somebody carved this by hand? Or do you think a computer did this?
In the Bible, people live longer, so Noah lived over 600 years.
And apparently somebody put a snake in his boot. You got the real story here, folks. The Ark is not made out of wood, it is made out of cinder block. I don't think it'll float. Look at this. There are so many cages because there were so many different kinds of animals. Ooh. That speaker's really blaring the wind noise. Also, spray foam insulation. It was a very comfortable Ark. So right next to all the cages are these vases. I wonder if they put the fishes in here. I guess the fishes didn't need to be put onto the Ark, did they? Because they just stayed in the ocean. I know this is like totally...
Did you hear that?
What was it?
It sounded like... It was like... That's what it sounded like.
I know that this is kind of off the subject of the Ark, but do you guys know the difference between the plural fish and the plural fishes?
No.
Fish is one species of fish. Fishes is multiple species of fish in a group.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. I know that they're trying to like replicate what it was like during the flood, but they could probably tone down the noises just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Oh, it's happening. Is there anything like explaining what's going on here?
What's happening?
I don't know. We're almost to the dinosaurs. I'm excited. There they are. There's animals over there. Yes. This is I am so excited right now. Are these dinosaurs? What in the world is that?
Are these dinosaurs?
I don't think they are.
Yes.
This looks.
They look to me kind of like turtles.
Look at the shell.
Their shells.
Turtles in a half shell?
Turtles without any shells.
What are these? These are like bloated lizard frogs.
Pterodactyls.
This is amazing. My life is now complete. I feel like a kid in a candy shop. There's more over here. Let's see what else there is. Okay, this is a bear. Or a couple of bears. I guess those are sloths.
Sloth-like creatures.
I think they're sloths. Deer. This is amazing. What is this thing? Boars? Oh yeah, look at them. Okay, so it says Noah didn't need to bring all of these, just these two little ones right here. And then he said he didn't need to bring any of these because they were out in the ocean. So they're good to go. So they have a picture of a Basilosaurus, which eventually evolved into dolphins and whales. Oh my goodness, we have a lot more of the Ark to explore. Just checking into the Wi-Fi status on the Ark here. Oh, look at that, Ark Encounter Wi-Fi. Let's see. All right, Wi-Fi acquired. What better way to use the Ark's Wi-Fi than to do some Pokemon hunting? I don't think there's gonna be any in here though. Not very much around us here. Also, let's check. Oh yeah, there's nothing nearby. I gotta admit, free Wi-Fi, electrical outlets everywhere. Life on the Ark wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I like it.
Here's a cutaway of the Ark. Just tons upon tons of cages and some pods. What's this? What is this thing? This little like elevator.
Water.
And for what? From the ocean?
Brings water probably from the bottom level to the top level. Maybe.
Oh.
Archivator.
The Archivator. And what ran it?
Noah. Probably just
Noah? Somebody? The dinosaurs? Speaking from a structural standpoint, I feel like this is the wrong way to do things. You want to put your heavier animals towards the bottom, not vice versa. All the big cages are up on top. We're on our way up to the second level, and then I turned and I looked and I saw one more cage that was full of what I think are bats. So we're gonna go check it out. We got bats inside of there. Then there's a little article here on why there are more bats rather than just two of a kind. What do you guys think?
So they only needed 2 dogs because hyenas and coyotes and all of them could interbreed. So then how do we have all the different breeds?
It's a good question. Here we go. Dinosaurs. This is the dinosaur from the ride. Dinosaur. What is it? Edmontosaurus or Plesiosaurus? What is it? Iguanodon? Oh, I don't know. This is amazing though. These are Hipposauruses?
It's a rhinoceros monster.
What is that thing? It's a cross between a hippopotamus and a triceratops, I think.
The woman is feeding carrots to these dinosaur-looking creatures.
Giant land sloth? Yes.
Oh my gosh.
He's getting rowdy. He could make it out of this pin in no time at all.
But this one's like contemplating his life.
He is. Oh no. There it is. They made it onto the Ark. These clever girls.
They
made it.
bred raptors.
They have little baby stegosauruses over here. Here they are. Put the little baby stegosauruses right next to the velociraptors. Oh, look at he's like laying in the sunshine. Not a care in the world. Ooh. What is this? Ooh. These must be like the, oh, do not feed, and like the kids can go in there. That's fun. Oh, there he goes. Let's see. Oh my, there's a skunk down there. Red-eyed animals up here. Oh, there's an owl hanging out. This is kids at Spooky Animal Encounter. We've only made it to the second floor, but something tells me that this is going to be a much more treacherous journey than I thought it was going to be.
Why? What?
Like we're going to get so tired by the end of this.
Why?
These are those little dinosaurs from Jurassic Park 2 that ate that little girl. Little giraffe-looking things. Some sort of... Dude, these are the Goombas from Mario Brothers, the movie. That's what these are. And then these are... I mean, and obviously that is a, I don't know. If he had a sound effect, it would probably be like, roar. So I think we're seeing maybe like Noah or one of his sons. Oh, is he answering questions?
He said the Ark would be for me, my wife, our sons, and our sons' wives. It took us several decades to build the Ark. But that was after years of designing it, collecting supplies, and preparing the site.
So wait, so Lamech started building the Ark? And then Noah finished it?
Good question.
I think these are all descriptions of all the different animals that are on the Ark. It kind of shows a little bit about it right there. Look at this. This is Noah's woodworking technology. Like all the stuff that he could do.
Is this supposed to be Noah?
I think this is Noah.
That young muscular Noah?
Young muscular Noah. This is great. Oh, okay, so it kind of like shows off the Ark in different like children's books and stuff. Whoa. What is going on?
The message here is that the Ark's not right.
I gotta admit, free Wi-Fi outlets everywhere, and these happy animals kind of make life on the Ark look really, really fun. Here are the doors that all the animals were brought in through. That's the door. There's like a line here for this shot down the Ark. Oh yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll get back in line. It's pretty impressive looking. This is a very massive structure. Oh no. This is not good. This is where all the food was grown.
This reminds me of
Living with the Land?
Martian.
Oh.
Doesn't this kind of remind you of The Martian a little bit?
Yeah, or like Living with the Land.
Well, I mean,
That's what I
I'm
was
just saying,
thinking.
like, because they're having to grow everything in this contained space that is not meant to like be growing stuff in.
Well, yeah,
The Martian.
they had to science the heck out of this.
Right?
Ooh, the multi-purpose kitchen where they would put together all the food and make all the stuff. Look at all the garlic they had. Maybe they were scared of vampires. They must have cooked a lot of pizzas. Do you guys see their little pizza spatula up there? Oh wait, no, that's for the bread, I'm guessing. Where's the oven? Ooh, here's all their gardening supplies. This is awesome. Got a lot of cabbages. Oh, and then they would do some weaving over here, right next to all their cabbages.
So here's a real question. So were they all vegetarians? Like,
I don't know.
You can't eat the animals, or were there actually food animals on the Ark as well?
It's a good question.
This little plaque over here, and the only thing that I saw is that the Lord said that they had to gather their food, which is why they grew produce, because they needed to gather it. Like in order to
No
be-
animals. You can't eat animals there. So they're vegetarians.
I don't know.
Maybe. I watched
good question.
There's something down there that said that all the animals vegetarians on the Ark.
All the animals were vegetarians in the Ark?
Are raptors vegetarians?
Well, can you eat chicken eggs?
Are they vegan?
Vegan?
These are the tough questions.
Are all the dinosaurs vegans?
They couldn't live.
Vegan Dinosaur is my new band name.
Vegan dinosaur.
Oh yeah, look, here's all, they ate a lot of edamame, it looks like. But he's bringing in a whole basket of edamame, and her face is like, edamame again. Oh no. One of the birds got, oh no wait, this is the dove with the olive branch. And they like grabbed it out of the air. Look at his hair. I wish I had hair like that. So it turns out that this is Noah. Noah has great hair and massive triceps. Here's Ham's room, but he's not here. He's got a nice hammock.
This is such a nice. This is like nicer than our house.
So here's my question. So this is Ham's room, right?
Who's that?
Ham is one of the three brothers,
Okay.
and he slept on a hammock.
Is that how they came up with the term hammock?
I don't know. Why does Ham need a sword in here?
To fight off the velociraptor.
I guess so.
They're gonna get out. We all know what happened.
There seems to be one more level that we just can't get to because there's no ramp to get up to it. It is going through all of the different myths that are very similar to the Ark, and they're showing how nobody would actually make it. There you go. So here's Gilgamesh's cube. Uh-oh. Oh no. Alright, let's see how the Ark does. Look at how calm and collected they are in there. It's because they put the heavy animals on top. Help them out. Here we go. This might be the answer to our vegetarian thing. Originally, man was only allowed to eat vegetation. However, when the flood ended, God gave man permission to eat meat with the qualification that it did not have its lifeblood in it. We have a book here from 1613. It is beautiful. Almost looks as if it was printed. We're heading into the gift shop of the Ark. So far, I've been looking for a shirt, and this is the only one that I like, but this is a kid's shirt. Darn it. Look at this. They're not even done putting on the siding on the back side of it. They had to cover it up with tarps. We're gonna go into Mzara's kitchen, who is Noah's wife. I'm excited to see what kind of food she has to offer. Here's the menu.
Anything good on the menu?
So far, the only thing that I found is the 2x2 burger.
Oh,
It's the only thing with a
where's
fun
that?
name. They've got all sorts of stuffed animals down here. We're eating on the second story of the restaurant. Look at this view out here. It looks awesome. So here's my 2x2. What the heck? They gave me round bacon. And we got these are called Sidewinder fries. They look pretty all right. After lunch, naturally, you head down the path. Like, you can probably see the Ark behind me back there. And you head into the petting zoo and the riding area where we can hang out with donkeys and camels and stuff, I guess. There's the goats and a tiny pony. Right there, you don't see the pony?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Okay, that's a lot of food.
You all done? I like your ears. That about does it for the Ark Encounter. And we are walking out with this beautiful, look at the size of that thing still. It still blows my mind that it has been built to biblical proportions. Such a huge Ark behind us. Wow. Here's the wide shot of the entire Ark.
It's hard to get a picture of the whole.
Look at that, the Ark is over there. You can see it on the top of the hill off in the distance. I think that's why they put it on top of a hill, so you can see it from afar. And that brings us back to the hotel, where we are going to go to sleep.
Yeah, it's early, but we have a really long day.
I'm tired.
Yeah, we walked a lot.
Yeah.
So.
But tomorrow we are heading home. Hopefully we can check out some stuff around the city before we head out. So we're off to bed and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.